2022 Lexus RX. With less than 31,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.